Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm showing you this close look of my face so you'll see the wonders that turmeric face mask have done on my face. If you're interested in this video, let's get right into it. So the first item I have right here is my turmeric powder. It is mainly used for cooking, but most women use it for beauty purposes. It has a lot of health and beauty benefits in it. And the next one I have is my honey. This is natural honey, locally made. It is extremely moisturizing and hydrates the skin properly. The next one is my coconut oil that is used in many natural face products, and for good reason actually. The next thing I have here is my tea tree oil. I'll be needing few drops of it because it goes a very long way. It works for infections such as acne, fungal, and all of that. And some people use Bragg's apple cider, but I don't because it affects my face. It is too acidic for my face, so I don't use it. So then I'm showing you my spoon, my mixing bowl, and my brush for application. So I'll be taking a teaspoon of turmeric powder. That's just because I don't want to make too much of it at once. You can make much more of this. It totally depends on you, and you can store it in the fridge as well. Then the next thing I'll be using is my natural honey. I'll be using 2 tablespoons, but for now I'll be using just 1. That's just because I want to be on a safe side. I don't like my mixture to be running. I like it to be sticky, so I'll be using just 1 tablespoon for now, and I'll add the other one later. Up next is my coconut oil. I was thinking of spraying it, but because I want to get the accurate measurement, I decided to open the container and then take 1 teaspoon of it as well. Up next is my tea tree oil. Like I said earlier, a little of this goes a very long way, so I'll be careful pouring it. I'll be using just 2 drops of it. I'm not going to make the mistake of adding an extra drop because that 2 drops goes a very long way. And now I'm just mixing. Mix. You have to mix it vigorously to combine the whole ingredients together. So as I was mixing, I realized my mixture is too sticky, and I'll be needing my 2nd tablespoon of honey, and this is me adding the 2nd tablespoon, and I'll just continue mixing till I get a very smooth paste. Don't care if I capsize. Oh no. So this is my mixture, and I'll be showing you how I apply this on my face. You have to apply it all over, but be very careful and mindful so it will not enter your eyes, please. It's very important. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Say goodbye, refuse to question why. I deserve to say I'm sorry, so lie, pretend that you're okay, swear that you will stay, keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies, don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie.
street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within, oh. I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame.
So after applying it, you have to wait for about 15 to 20 minutes to let it sit on your face before washing it off with soap and water. This is my face after washing it off with soap and water. You can see it's looking bright and clear. This is my face after washing it. I just moisturize it with coconut oil, which is my regular face cream. You can use any face cream or moisturizer of your choice. That totally depends on you. I hope you enjoyed this video.